Hello, welcome back to Cooking with Chef T Solo. Today we have a special guest, Chef O Solo, also my dad. What are we making today?
We're making chicken curry.
Where did you learn this recipe?
This is from my dad's friend Benny.
Now we're going to teach all of you how to make the famous curry. What do we call it?
Chicken curry.
Abba's
chicken curry.
Here's everything you need to make the chicken curry. We have 2 russet potatoes, pepper, salt, curry, masala powder, coriander, chicken thighs, minced garlic, vegetable oil, cilantro, and we're soaking 2 cups of basmati rice right now, and a can of tomato paste. We're gonna let the oil heat up. While the oil's cooking, we chopped up the onions and the potatoes. So we're gonna cook the onions until they brown. So now that the onions are golden, we're going to add minced garlic. You could get this from Costco.
2 big spoons.
2 big teaspoons? Okay, then you're gonna mix it in. To spice things up, and we're gonna add all the spices.
Coriander.
1 teaspoon coriander.
Masala. You put a big spoon, right?
Yeah.
Curry. And a big spoon of curry.
So 1 teaspoon of everything.
1 teaspoon, little, about half a mug.
Half teaspoon
Small
pepper.
teaspoon. Nice teaspoon. Mix it up. I'm gonna mix the chicken. Chicken gets spiced up.
How long do we let it cook?
3 minutes.
Oh, cook the chicken for 3 minutes in the sauce.
And the spices, right?
And the spices. Tomato paste. Filling it up with water. And just add that much amount of water. Mix it in.
Mix the potato. Cilantro, alright? Give it another mix.
So we covered it up, put it on low, and we're gonna wait for the potatoes to soften. So about 30 minutes. Now we're gonna make the rice, the basmati. We're just using a rice cooker because it's easier.
This one is 1.5, so I'll put 1.5. We'll make yellow rice.
Yellow rice.
Turmeric, about a little more than half.
1.5 cup water. Now we wait. So the rice takes about 30 minutes and the curry takes about 30 minutes. So we usually just eat it whenever the rice goes off. So the curry's almost ready. It looks really good. We're really excited to eat it. It's been about 30 minutes.
We'll check the potato.
The fork goes through. What does that mean?
It's a little bit more.
The rice just went off. Ooh, it looks so good. Now the food is finally ready. This is mine and this is his. What did you put on top?
It's chili pepper with chutney and lamb pickle.
And then we also like to squeeze lemon on top. So now we're gonna do the taste test. It's very good. I think you make it the best curry. I think this is a good batch.
It's good with the chutney.
Oh yeah? I think it's perfect plain.
Mango pickle.
I highly recommend you try this recipe. This is a 5 out of 5 tallies. What would you rate it?
It's 5 star.
Oh, 5 tallies.
5 Uber.
5 what?
5 star.
No, 5 tallies.
5 tallies. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the 5
See,
tallies.
5 tallies. Thank you so much for watching this video, and comment below if you'd like to see more of Chef O Solo's recipes. See you guys next time.
Bye bye.